Bye, Rambler. Last room tour. Makulimlim ngayon. Sana wag umulan.
We checked out early in our room and left our luggage in the hotel lobby. Checkout time is 12 noon and we might still be exploring the city by then.
Walkathon ang mga lola nyo papuntang bus station. Going to Mongkok. Ilang calories kaya na-burn namin dito sa Hong Kong kakalakad. Wala muna magta-taxi for today's video. Medyo may trauma pa tayo from last night at hindi naman tayo nagmamadali. It's 9 AM. We woke up 7 AM. And kailangan kaming bumalik ng mga 4 PM para sa pick up sa airport. Pagod na, umpisa pa lang. Uwi na tayo.
First time trying the Hong Kong bus. The commute system is very organized and efficient. It is commuter friendly. There's no need to ask for direction. You only need Google Map.
Bye-bye! Try the double-decker bus.
Our first stop is to have breakfast in Cam Wah. I also see this resto from bloggers' reviews. We got to try their bread toast Hong Kong version. The kids are really enjoying this. We got an IC. It's also cheaper than taking a taxi. It cost 20 HKD per person. Going through this tunnel we can cross the Victoria Harbour to the other side of the city. It's amazing how they were able to build this tunnel. It always feels like I'm going underwater. Hahaha. We are off to Causeway Bay. Today's agenda is just to explore the city.
Refreshment plus, bowling, walking.
Bowling?
No,
Play area.
La 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 la. Gusto mo dito ka na tumira? Clean is green, green is clean. Ciao! Ay, may baleta. Ang laki, ha? May ganyan din kami sa Quezon City Circle, eh. Mas malalaki pa nga yung balete dun, eh. O, diba? Ano sabi nyo, guys? May panlaban tayo dyan sa balete nila. Diba na yan? Ayun yung unicorn na. Look, there's a horse over there. There, oh. You see that? Ha, baby? Oh, mag-asawa pa. Walang kapre, horse lang. Salbay
The Shibuya of Hong Kong. They say this pedestrian crossing in Causeway Bay is the busiest pedestrian crossing in Hong Kong. This is the nearest feels that we can with Japan for now. Ha ha ha.
This is the third bus, right?
No, the first, second. Yeah, this is the third. This is the third.
Number 3.
I was pacifying Amira here, while walking. We were walking along Nathan Road, when a guy behind us stabbed an old man that is just passing by. Amira was really nervous and wanted to go home to the Philippines. We found an article online about the incident.
Sayang, hindi mahawak ang photo kanina. Kaso okay na rin. Kung nakita niyo naka-photo ka pa.
Delikado tayo nun.
Baka habulin ka pa. Sabi ko na.
Ito, Temple Street. Ayun o. Sarado pa.
We passed through the same road on our way back to the hotel. I just discreetly took a video since there are police standing by. The octopus card that I bought is non-refundable. We will just use it to buy stuff.
Taxi.
Kuya is having trust issues with our taxi driver. This is because of what happened last night. He is pointing the flat down rate ha ha ha.
Ang galing. Tama. Maaraw dito, guys. We're going home.
As for our last lunch here in Hong Kong, we are trying Café de Coral.
Mabagal pa rin kumain kahit sa Hong Kong. Mga, anong oras tayo nag-start kumain? 1 hour, no? Mga 40 minutes na siyang kumakain, guys. Tapos na kaming lahat.
Waiting for our shuttle to the airport.
Bye-bye, Hong Kong. Pinaiyak niya si Amira. Gusto niya na umuwi. Uwi ang time. May antok na bata.
Need to rearrange because it's over 7 kilos ha ha ha.
So, ano kayo? Kanina from 10 naging 8. So, malalaman natin sa mukha ni Daddy. Okay na daw. Okay na.
Ano ba po siya lumagam?
Okay lang. Basta huwag ka lalabas ng 7. So, alam niyo na guys, kung ba't wala kami pasalubong na. Kasi hindi na kasya sa bag namin. Yan lang ang bag namin dala. Hindi na tayo makakapagdagdag ng ilalagay. Okay na. Sakto 7. Okay, so, storytelling. Sabi nung tour guide namin,
nung hinatid kami. Yung flight namin is 5J113 daw. And ang pickup is 4 p.m. And when we check today, it's because the departure is 7:20. So that should be accurate lang. Only to find out kung ano yung nasa Cebu pa ko na flight info, which is the 5J115, is correct. Which is ang departure is 10 p.m. So, nandito na kami sa airport at hanggang 10 p.m. pa ang departure namin. Kaya, good luck.
Need to use the remaining balance of our octopus card. We found this 18 HKD eco bag from Disneyland which is very cute.
It's here. Over here. Gitna ata. Oh, yeah. What? Inom-inom lang pag may time. Dahil hanggang mamaya pa kami dito sa airport. Gusto nang umuwi ni Amira. Ay, it's dito. Diyan tayo galing ng papunta. Di, dyan tayo ng papunta. Diba?
I'm crying,
What?
but I'm happy.
I don't want. I'm tired. And plus, we're not really in a hurry.
I challenge myself to walk back.
Ang ganda ng airport nila, guys. Ang ganda ng bubong ng airport nila.
There's also charging station and water refilling station.
Anong masasabi mong nakabalik ka na ng Pilipinas?
Wow.
Wow? Bakit wow?
I'm back.
Ha? I'm back? Anong masasabi mo nakabalik ka na ng Philippines? Ha? May toyo ka? Kasi nanto ka? Ako. Anong masasabi ko? Mainit dito. Mainit. Uy. Pogi oh. Pogi yan. Wala. Ayan na si Park and Fly.